What are you saying, bro? You ready for another lesson? Man, I can't wait, man. It's been a while, so...
That's a screw.
You can even tell already, you know? Ever since I was a kid, I had a dream of becoming a pilot, but could never afford it. One day I decided to stop making excuses, to sacrifice my comfort, to make my dream happen. My name is D, and this is my journey. This is Future Pilot 901. One of the few things that could rival the intense satisfaction of achieving my own dream is seeing someone else achieve theirs. Back in 2020, when I decided to embark on this crazy adventure, one of the things that I wrote down was that I wanted to find someone on a similar journey, someone trying to achieve their dream, someone who, you know, we could bounce the energy off each other and keep each other going. A few days later, Chris reached out to me on Instagram, and so we became friends and we encouraged each other along the journey. What are you saying, bro? You ready for another lesson? Man, I can't wait, man. It's been a while, so I'm gonna go in and do my thing. So, today's Chris's lesson. Got a few cameras set up.
Hear me?
I can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Jolly good.
Say hello to them guys. And they're not looking at me, so moving on swiftly. That's one of Chris's cameras, DJI, filming the cockpit instruments and outside, giving us a nice rounded view.
Hear me?
I can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Jolly good. That's a screw. I was waiting for that because everyone does that.
Northboard radio, World 14, apron 2, request radio check and airfield information, local flight to the east, 2 persons on board.
World 14, 02, QNH 1023.
02, left hand circuit, 1023, QNH, World 14. World 14, taxiing to Bravo 1.
Good.
Departure to the east.
Okay, so why do you think we've got a low voltage light?
1 POB. Student wheel 08, runway 02.
Because of the power or something?
Yeah, so the
Runway
we've got all this electric stuff on at the moment, haven't we?
Yeah.
Student wheels 0.
The engine drives an alternator
Okay.
which charges the battery,
Landing at south end.
and on low engine power it's not driving the alternator sufficiently to power all the electrics, which is why we get a low voltage one.
Oh, right, okay. Makes sense.
And you're thinking it's far too early in the morning to be thinking about all this stuff.
I know, I just had McDonald's and everything as well, and I have to think about all
Oh,
this stuff.
jealous. Love a McDonald's.
Yeah.
I always wonder why they don't do that for cars, you know, like give you 2 engines.
Why not? They're back on
Yeah, you know, a bit more power.
I think one's enough, and yours is enough.
Ah, it's a slow car, my car.
What? How?
Very slow. Very.
You've already got used to the speed already.
Jeez, that's a massive beast.
So how long until you get this one, bro?
I'm in the wrong job, that's what I'm saying.
What's faster on the ground, this or your car? Like, let's say if you was to...
My car, by a long way.
Oh, really?
At the airport.
Full power?
Late down into the
Airspeed's live, T's and P's are in the green.
Wheels, Golf Bravo, Yankee Charlie Tango, request
59 knots, rotate gently, that's it.
Runway 02 in the QNH, just 102.
65, trim it in.
5021023, taxiing Golf Charlie Tango.
Last year, your valuable contributions allowed me to go first solo after just 12 hours and 37 minutes of flying lessons. Bear in mind, 2 hours were for trial flights.
The Charlie Kilo is right base, get out to land.
It was a great achievement made possible by you. Now I've got my sights set on that license. To become a future Pilot 901 Dreammaker, make sure you check the description down below. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share. And oh, if you haven't checked out my blog, make sure you check out www.futurepilot901.com. Okay people, so flight radar tells me that Chris is not too far, so I'm going to be looking out for him.
That north world, I can't be.
It is, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yep.
My spidey senses are tingling. They are telling me this might be Chris on the crosswind. Chris Crosswind. Someone needs to put me on a track.
Where's that Golf? What's going to get Echo Yankee?
Again, the wind's 36.
That's why it's important that you're at the correct height, because if we were 100 feet low there, that would have conflict risk, yeah?
Alright, okay.
Lovely radio camera is your 2 at holding part Bravo 1, ready.
Okay, start your turn now, so go to the left.
Surface winds 3605.
Roger, camera is your 2.
Right, Yankee, when you get to the disused runway, turn right. Turn right on the disused, Golf 1 Yankee.
014 is downwind. Okay, see the shed with the grass in between?
Yep.
Go towards that, the hospital's just to the right.
Alright, okay. So this side.
We're going to do pre-landing checks. Yeah, where the shed is though, the green grass, because we're going to go between the 2 villages.
Alright, okay.
Brakes up the carriage, mixture, fuel, sufficient. Instruments, indicators, sinuses, lightning light, go on, Charlie. Go away.
Yeah, I went to Specsavers and I still can't tell from this distance. So, alright, it looks white and blue though. So in about 2 minutes we'll find out. See, what I want to do is I want to walk across whilst they're landing and catch the bottom of the plane, but then at the same time I don't want to distract him and have him kill himself. So it's a tricky balance, eh? Anyways, there's a plane coming. Let's check if this is them. Oh, it's not a plane. It's just a darn helicopter. It's the Popo. It's the Popo for show. Hopefully they're not coming down to arrest me. Ah, homie. Oh, this is hard times.
Oh, 14, final touch and go.
Roger, 3610.
Yeah, and we keep 65 knots the whole way down the approach. And we just moderate that little bit of power and adjust in the pitch with the power couple to make sure that we keep pointing at the numbers and we keep the centre line. And then looking between the numbers and the end of the runway. Numbers, end of the runway. Right at the far end, yeah?
Alright, okay.
Numbers, far end of the runway. This is looking nice. Follow me through on the controls if you don't feel what I do.
Ahead.
Nice, fine. 65 knots.
Free downwind 02 left.
If you Can you see how we're just moderating that power and just keeping the pitch there so we keep the numbers in the same place all the way down onto the centre line? Know that we can make it in, so we'll start reducing the power now, reducing the power, and then we'll level up, so you just get it level, and then as you start to see it sink, that's when you can just keep it flying, keep it flying, keep it flying.
Alright.
Touch. Go 20 to 10, can't be controlled, and you have control. Okay, right rudder, that's it, and we'll go again.
He just greased it. Did you just touch and go?
Okay, so we go 65 knots.
Student wheel 01, request.
Bruh! He just touched the go.
Hey, right rudder, that's it.
Student wheel 01, you can backtrack now.
Need to be over the field in between the two.
Alright.
Roger, student wheel 01.
What do you know about increasing the angle of bank?
Full speed.
Exactly.
You're fine, you're on the centre line, and then suddenly you're not, bro.
Next time you're in a grass, bro. That landing. Whew. I'm worn out.
Do not go where the path may lead, but go where there is no path, and leave a trail. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Until next time, this is Future Pilot 901, reminding you to live your dreams.